OBDSTAR DC706 read and write Hyundai SIM2K 140 maps Checksum OK. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here's a detailed guide on how to read and write SIM2K 140 maps using the OBDSTAR DC706 ECM with the updated v31.00 software. This procedure also applies to the SIM2K 141 ECU. The maps data can be utilized for functions such as IMMO off and power tuning. Requirements: OBDSTAR DC706, SIM2K 240 TCU, P004 adapter, extra power supply. Procedure: 1. Software update. Ensure the ECM software is updated to v31.00 or a later version. 2. Access ECM. Navigate to the ECM v31.00 section. Perform a quick search for the SIM2K 240 ECU. 3. Instructions and wiring diagram. Review the provided instructions and wiring diagram. Verify that the appearance of the ECU matches the wiring diagram. 4. Connections. Connect the DC706 to the SIM2K 240 ECM according to the wiring diagram. Make sure to connect the extra power supply to ensure stable power during the operation. 5. Select bench mode. On the DC706, select bench mode using the P004 adapter. Press connect to initiate the connection. 6. Ignition switch. Switch the ignition off. Then, switch the ignition on to establish a connection with the ECM. 7. Reading data. Once connected, proceed to read and save the maps data. Also, read and save the INT flash data for backup. 8. Writing maps. After reading, proceed to write the maps data. When writing, look for the CS icon in the upper right corner of the options. After modifying the maps data, you'll be prompted to choose whether to write the original file or the checked file. If you select the checked file, the device will automatically correct the checksum and regenerate a checked file before writing it to the ECU. 9. Load maps data. Select Write Maps. Load the external data and upload the maps data you read in Step 7. 10. Verification. Press Yes to verify the data. The OBDSTAR DC706 will automatically correct the checksum. 11. Completion. Once the maps writing process is successful, you can disconnect the equipment. Conclusion. This procedure outlines the steps to effectively read and write maps data for the SIM2K 140 and SIM2K 141 ECUs using the OBDSTAR DC706. Following these steps ensures proper data management, essential for applications like IMMO off and performance tuning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.